Hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can make text friendly with writing tool AI on iPhone. So for this, first enable Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. After this, turn on the toggle for Apple Intelligence. Now you can use writing tool on any text, like a web page, message, or a note. For this video, we will use writing tool on the Notes app. So first, open the Notes app on your iPhone and then open the note on which you want to use writing tool. Now, select a part of the note. After this, tap on this icon and this will open writing tools. Now we want to make text friendly, so tap on this option. And this will make the text friendly for the readers. So this is how you can make text friendly with writing tool AI on iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.